tire swap out here. We're using these Holeshot SXs for in the sand last weekend in Quebec. Grand Bend's a pretty hard pack track, so we're gonna switch them out for these Goldspeed tires. They're pretty gummy and seem to work pretty well in the hard pack, so hopefully they will work out for me this week and get me some good starts at least and hook up coming out of the corners. Should be good. Special thanks out there to DWT and Goldspeed for hooking me up with these tires and rims. Work awesome and hook up amazing. Definitely recommend them to anybody out there if you can get your hands on them. I just swapped out the Holeshot SXs for these Goldspeeds, and they're the Goldspeed MXR model, blue label. You can get a couple different other compounds. This is the medium compound. Like it's still pretty gooey, like pretty nice and soft compared to some tires out there. But you can get even softer ones than that. But they last for like a moto, and they're kind of a waste. But I find these ones work pretty well. This will be their third weekend and they're still pretty good. But yeah, I'd definitely recommend getting these if you're racing on a hard pack track anyways. They seem to hook up really well.